Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OILU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And today was just an absolute train wreck. I mean, you think about just on Thursday, a beautiful, beautiful bounce. So going into today, it was a big question of, wow, is this the start of something bigger? And no, absolutely not. Price totally rolled back over and went literally right back down to its low. So this is, in trading terminology, what we would call a dead cat bounce. And I'm now going to get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain up there. They're just not really relevant right now, so there's no point in having lines and clutter all over the place. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce next week, and to give some credit where credit's due, I mean, nice little close here, got some green candles, got some good solid volume, still plenty of work that needs to be done, but at least the bulls showed some signs of strength. But if this little miniature bounce is going to turn into anything bigger, then 45 cents now is going to be that first key level from the resistance side of things that'll need to be broken. So keep a close eye on that. And then from the support side of things, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all. The price bounced once again right off those previous lows down there at the 36-cent mark. So you go through the history of the chart, and you can see that nice bounce off that level there. And now it's already starting to bounce. So, I mean, that brings up a valid question. Hey, it had a nice bounce last time. Is something like this going to occur once again? No guarantees in trading, but I mean, I wouldn't call that an irrational thought on your part to be thinking that. So keep an eye on that. Now, if the price just rolls back over and, crashes down through 36, then that's just going to create that much more downside momentum, and it's probably going to be a very, very ugly week. But we'll see what happens with it. Like I said, interesting to see a little miniature bounce off this former area of support. And if the price can't continue on, we'll see how it reacts with that 45-cent mark. But looking like next week can be very entertaining. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.